So if you want to open any Python, yeah, good evening all. So before I start, can anyone please confirm whether my voice is clear, whether the screen is visible or not, right?
Yeah, both are visible.
Fine, thank you. Fine. So if you want to open any Python file, right? File open and just ten PM batch. So this was the last thing we have discussed in the last class. Fundamental data types, 5 types: integer, float, boolean, string, and complex. Collection data types like list, tuple, set, and dictionary. Object holding single value, fundamental type. Object holding group of values or collection of values, it is called as collection data type. Okay. File, new file. File, new file, right? Now, more discussion on this string data type, right? Yes, what is a string? A string is a sequence collection. A string is a sequence collection of characters. A string is a sequence collection of characters. In Python, a string is represented. A string is represented using. In Python, a string is represented using single quote, using double quote, in Python, a string is represented using single quote, double quote in this way, and also like triple quote. String is represented using single quote, double quote, and triple quote. Anything you can use, right? But if you want to represent multiple lines of string, right? Like a paragraph with 10 lines or 20 lines, go with triple quote. Single line string, go with single quote or double quote. You can use any of it, right? Single or double quote, single line string. Each character of a string. So string is a collection of characters, right? Each character is identified or accessed by a unique index. Each character of a string is identified or accessed by a unique index. String supports two types of indexes. String supports two types of indexes. Forward index. String supports two types of indexes. First is like forward in or positive index. Forward index or positive index starts from left to right. Starts from left to right. Index, what is that? Index starts from, index starts with 0. Forward index or positive index, index starts from left to right, index starts with 0. Second is backward index. Negative index. Backward index or negative index. Index starts right to left. Index starts with -1. Backward index or negative index, index starts from right to left, index starts with -1. Forward or positive index starts from left to right, index starts with 0. Okay. Observe these things, right? So each character of a string is a sequence collection of characters. Each character is identified accessed by unique index. Two types of index, forward or positive, backward or negative. Index starts from left to right, index starts from right to left. Observe this example, right, to make you understand much better on this string indexing. And x equal to Python, Python. One object is going to get created within this Python. This address is given to x. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is what? Forward index or positive index. Forward index or positive index. This one, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and -6. Backward index or negative index. So forward index or positive index, backward index or negative index. Forward or negative one. So what is x is your string name, x of 2. What is the value of x of 2 here? Yes, x of 2 value. Yes, everyone try to respond, right? I want the sessions to be free, right? What is the value of x of -2?
Oh.
All right. Yes. So already we got positive index. Why again negative index required means if you got a very big string, of more than 100 characters, if you want to print the last character, right? -1. x of -1, right? It always prints the last character. If you've got some hundreds of characters also, right? You want to print the last character x of. So coming back, right? In fact, forward or positive index starts from left to right, and backward or negative index starts from right to left. Index starts with -1. So single line comment start with hash symbol. If you want a multi-line comment, start with a triple quote and with a triple quote. This is not executable. So x equal to Python, Python, right? Yes. Print x prints the entire, it prints the string. Print a type of x means what type? String type, str type. Print len of x means number of characters within the string. So here I'm writing a comment for your understanding. Returns number of characters. Within the string. Len of x means this is run module. String length is 6. Okay. Y equal to programming. Y equal to programming, right? Yes. Print x plus y. Print x plus y means what is the output you get? We call this as concatenation. Concatenation means adding two strings. Adding two strings. First string followed by second string. Adding two strings. First string followed by second string. X plus y. Run module. Python space programming. Python program. See, want like Python space between these two. So add three strings. X is one string Python, Y is another string. Between these two, one more string. X is one, Y is another. Between these two, one space. X plus space plus Y. Python space programming. Adding two strings, right? First string followed by second string. So run module. So this is what? Okay, see this type of x is string type. Length of x is 6. Number of characters are 6. Length of x. Type of x means what type? str. String type. What type it is? String. So next, like string means sequence collection of characters. String slicing. String slicing means extracting particular portion of a string. Extracting particular portion of a string. X equal to Python program. X equal to Python program, right? Yes. So here X is a string. Extract only Python from this. Try to extract only Python from this. Extract only Python from this. Print. X is the string 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 0 to 6 we need to give. Actually, it is 5 only, right? But why 6? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only. See here, this we call it like lower bound. This we call it like upper bound. Always upper bound is excluded. Always, writing comment for your understanding. Always upper bound is excluded. So if you give 5 here, 5 gets excluded. You won't get this again. Yes. Next, extract program. What is that? Extract program. Extract the word program, right? Print X of before that, before this program, right? PROG, extract only this middle portion of this string. Extract only the middle portion of the string. PROG only. Try to answer, right? Everyone try to give a responses.
7 to 11.
Yes, 7 to 11, right? Yes. So here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. We need to give 11. 7 to 11. 11 excluded, up to 10 it will take. 11 excluded, up to 10 it will take. Seven to 11. So yes, if I say it the opposite way, yes, try to answer for this X of 11 to 7. If I say 11 to 7, what is the output you get? 7 to 11 means PROG. 11 to 7. Yes. Everyone try to just unmute yourself and try to give your responses, right?
RAM.
RGOR.
RGOR.
Yes. You mean to say no? 11 to 7 means you will get empty string. So this thing, empty string. Empty string you get. Yes. Because always slicing in the forward direction. Always slicing in the forward direction. If you go in backward direction, it gives empty string. See, always, because always slicing in the forward direction, you should go in this way, forward. But if you say 11 to 7 means you are going backward. Anytime if the slicing is done backward, it returns empty string. It prints empty string. Can you see one empty string here? Right. Now extract the PROG using negative indexing. Right? Anyone try to say how to extract this 4 characters PROG using negative index? Extract PROG using negative index.
-7 to -4.
X of yes. Minus yes.
-4 to -8.
-4 to -8 means you are going in backward direction. Using negative index also, you should go in forward direction only. Someone said, right? -7 to
Okay.
using negative index also -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. -7 you want, -6 you want, -5 you want, -4 you want. So what I should give? -3. -3, right? -3 excluded up to -4. -7, 6, 5, 4. -7 to -4. What is the output? PROG. Extract the entire word program. Extract the entire word program now. Using positive index, you say me first. Everyone try to give your responses. First, using positive index 7, 8, 9. Even this empty space takes one index. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now start with 7 you want, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So can I say 7 to 13? 13 gets excluded.
14.
So 7 to
14.
14 index not available. Can I give 14? Yes. Because
Yes.
14 excluded, up to 13 only it will take. Otherwise, shortcut to this, print x of 7 to x of 7 to, don't give the upper bound.
Yeah.
Don't provide the upper bound, right? Yes. 7 to and run module program 7 to 14, 7 to this.
Sir, when multiple strings are there, this upper bound 0 is work or not?
Upper bound or lower bound?
The last one, print x of 7 column.
If you see here, okay. So this is, if you want, this won't work in such case. So anytime this is the last word, in that last word, okay, start with 7. And if you don't give the upper bound, it will read up to the end of the string. Entire word program it prints. Even if you can ignore this lower bound also. Don't provide this lower bound and I provide 6. What is the output you get? From start of the string to 6th index. 6 excluded up to 5 takes.
Python. And in, so yeah, it will print Python.
Yeah, 6 excluded takes Python, right? 0 to 5. if I ignore both lower and upper bounds like this, print x of, if I am ignoring both lower bound and upper bound like this.
X and
Full string maybe. Python program.
It prints the entire string, Python program. It prints the entire string, Python program. Say, and now, if I say, is it compulsory to use spaces there? Here space before this and here spaces, is it, otherwise, can I give in this way, is it valid? Yes,
Yes.
print x. See, this last 4 statements results the same output.
please run this one. Yes.
See, this last 4 statements result the same output, Python program. Python program, right? So first from start of the string to end of the string. This is also same. Print x means the entire string, x of 0 to end of the string. Can I take that combination of negative and positive index like this? -7 to 11, is it valid?
Yes.
-7 means P. 11 means this R. -7 to 11 means PROG. You get the output like PROG. Okay, -7 to 11. This is also, for example, print x of 0 to 14. 0 to 14 with the increment of 2 means 0 index, 2 index, 4 index, 6 index, 8 index, 10, 12. 0 to 14 with increment of 2 means 0 means this. Again 2 index means this. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 0 to 14 with increment of 2. You will get the output like this. Run module. Next, observe this print x of 0 to 14. No, don't say like this. X of colon 2. What is the output you get? Same output like the previous one, right?
Same.
Same output like the previous one. Now print x of colon -1 means reverses a string. Reverses. Reverses the string. Yes. Python program. Now,
So
yes.
if -1 is a decremental order, it's not follow the decremental order like reverse order.
So here Entire string -1 means from here to here. From here to here. Entire string. What is this first one indicates? This one, just like this.
Yes,
At
yes.
the entire string, but from -1.
Mm.
Here, if you see, you start with increment with 2 after 0 to 4. But here you start with -1. -1 means this one. And
Yes,
one
M
by
is
one,
there. Mm.
you will get the output in the reverse order, like M, A, R, G, O, or P. First M will come. Next year. Yes.
Okay, okay.
So there is a technical word. See, if you heard about this a word like, have you heard about this palindrome? Palindrome.
Yes,
What is
yes, sir.
palindrome?
Made 'em like that.
Yes. If we reverse a string, if we reverse a string, if we get the same string, if we reverse a string, if we get the same string, then it is a palindrome. It is a palindrome, right? If we reverse a string, if we get the same string, then it is a palindrome. It is a palindrome, right? Example of palindrome. Madam, yes, as you said, MADAM. If we reverse also, you will get the same string. Malayalam. NITIN.
In numeric also like 333 doubling number 121.
Yes. GAD. MOM. Race car. Race. This way. Okay. For example, X equal to MADAM, right? Print X means it prints madam as it is. Python is case sensitive, upper cases, lower cases, they will be taken differently, right? Print X. X of colon, see, if I reverse it, what is the reversing the string? X of colon -1, reversing the string. Store the result in Y. Print Y, you will get the same result, right? If you reverse also, if you are getting the same string, then it is a palindrome. Run module. Yes, both. So this is what string slicing, extracting particular portion of a string. So we no need to write huge codings here in Python. We have got many inbuilt methods, functions available, right? So we'll discuss like string methods, one by one string methods, right? First one, upper method to print in uppercase. To print in uppercase, right? X equal to Hyderabad. Print. I want to print Hyderabad in uppercase. X is the string. You want to print in uppercase, right? Just check this output. To print in upper, X dot upper, that's it. It prints entire string in Hyderabad in uppercase. Lower. To print in lower case. X equal to Mumbai. Print X dot lower to print that Mumbai in lower case. We don't need to write in any codings here. We have got inbuilt methods, right, in Python. Next. X, see the third one, right? X equal to India, INDIA. I want only the first character I in the uppercase, remaining all in the lowercase itself. X dot capitalize. Just observe this, X dot capitalize. Only the first character I in the uppercase, remaining all in the lower cases, India. Capitalizing the first character of string. Only the first character I in the uppercase. Can you check here? Remaining all in lower cases, India. Next, for example, good evening, Hyderabad. How many words are there here?
3.
3 words, right? Each word, first character in the uppercase I want. This G I want in upper, E I want in upper, H I want in upper. How can I do? I want each and every word first character in the uppercase.
We can use title method, sir.
Yes, we have got a method called title. That's it. Check it here. Good evening, Hyderabad. G in uppercase, E in uppercase, H in uppercase. Title. For capitalizing the first character of each word in a string. For capitalizing the first character of each word in a string. So where can this title be useful? Title, T-I-T-L-E, right? See this example too. If I got some employees names are like this. Rahul, Ajay, Rohit, Miller, Blake, James, Amar. So in this way, some employee names. Each and every employee name, first character I want in uppercase. EMPS dot title. EMPS dot title, right? Yes, run module. Rahul, Ajay, Rohit, Miller, Blake, James, Amar. Each and every employee name, first character in the uppercase.
But string cannot always, it's a combination of special character also sometimes. So how can we identify those?
Which one? This entire thing is one string. Separated by comma. Whatever it is here, each and every character here, separator is comma separated. Here it is space separated. Each word separated by space. Each
My
word
doubt-
yes.
My doubt is the each word having some, suppose if we take password contains number, some special characters also.
See, 1 second. A string can contain integers, characters, special symbols, blank spaces, anything it can have. String is what? Just a character. Character can be a numerical character or normal special symbols, all this blank spaces also.
Yeah, this string starts suppose with numeric or special characters. In this case, it is these title or everything is works or
So generally in use cases, generally you'll have one paragraph or sentence or names, list of names, right? For that use cases, we doesn't go for this, right? You won't capitalize a numerical string, you doesn't want to capitalize it. Phone number is there. Mobile number, if you keep in a string, in double quotes, it is a string. You doesn't want to capitalize it. There is no use case for it. Okay. Next, there is a method just like swap case. For converting one case to another case. For converting one case to another case. One case to another case, if it is in lower case, it converts to upper. If it is in upper, converts to lower. For example, if it is like this. Same thing I'll take. Good evening, Hyderabad. If it is in lower, it converts to upper. If it is in upper, it converts to lower. If it is got combination of both, all uppers to lower, lowers to upper. X dot swap case. If you got a very big paragraph of 20 lines, you want to convert everything into upper, right? You can say X dot swap case. Swap case. Everything you'll get in uppercase. There is one more method. We have got many methods. Once we know to write huge codings, we have got a method called replace. For replacing a portion of a string. For replacing a portion of a string. For example, X equal to Java is easy, I'm saying. Print replace X dot replace the word Java with Python. Replace the word Java with Python. What is the output you get?
Python is easy.
Python is easy. So replacing a particular portion of a string, replace. Okay, for example, Java is easy and Java is simple. Replace the word Java with Python means you'll get Python is easy and Python is, it will replace each and every occurrence of Java with Python. Yes. Next, we have got a method like count. To count the number of occurrences. To count the number of occurrences of a substring or a character, X equal to, just say hello, hello, hello. Print X dot count of hello. To count the number of substring, count of hello. What is count of hello here?
3.
3. Count of character H. Right.
4.
4. Count of hello is 3. Count of character H. To count the substring or a character, count of hello is 3. Count of H is 4. 1, 2, 4. Count of H. For example, if I take a multi-line string, For example, I'll bring some data from somewhere. Within the data one folder, right? I got demo1.txt. So I got some 10 lines code here. Python is simple, user-friendly, right? See these 10 lines, I'll copy it. So Python provides different colors for different functionalities. Observe here. For comment in red color, for string in green color, built-in functions in violet color. So here data, if you give double quotes, only the first, only single line appearing in green color means all the 10 lines it is not considering as a string. So go for triple quote. I said, right? String represented using double quote, triple quote, single quote. Triple quote for multi-line string. So here within this data, print data dot count of that particular word Python. So what is that count of Python in 10 lines? 10 times Python repeated. The count will be 10. Python is case sensitive. Upper cases, lower cases taken differently. Data dot count of the Python, right? Yes. See that what it is? 0 it says. Everything in lowercase it says what? 0. Data dot lower. So if you want everything convert to lowercase, even this capital P also converts to lowercase. And after converting to lower, on that lower count of Python means now it will work 10. Whether it is uppercase or lowercase, I want just the count of Python means can convert our entire string to lowercase. And on that count of Python you can apply.
Sir, I want to know the multiple counts like Python and supports. Can we get them 2 counts of these words?
Python space supports we can say, right?
No. Python should get separate count and supports.
You need to write 2 statements for it. So count of particular substring, particular substring. You can for 2 strings you cannot get the count at a time.
Like group by number of count.
No. Like
Can you please run the swap case on this data?
swap case means this will be in lowercase, all this will be in uppercase.
Okay.
Format method for substitutions. Format method means for substitutions. Just x equal to within this double quotes is the captain of Indian team. Is the captain of Indian team.
Sir,
Yes.
can we use 2 built-in methods at a time?
I use right here lower and count.
Okay. Can you
First.
run this one, sir?
So what happens is here if I am giving lowercase Python, you are getting the count as 0 because this capital P, right? So
Yeah.
first what I did, everything convert to lower means this entire thing will be converted to lowercase. Even this. And count on Python means you will get 10 as count. This
Okay.
also. Take this output, right? Both you will get count as 10 only. 10 and 10, right? Yes. X dot format. What is it? Who is that captain of Indian team? Rohit. So just like fill up the blank, right? So in this Rohit, I'm keeping that output as Rohit is the captain of Indian team. One more example, y equal to, his name is, and he is a his name is, and he is a print y dot format. His name is Ajay, and he is a doctor. Observe these outputs. So in the first substitution, Ajay. Second substitution, doctor. One more example on this format. Try to frame some meaningful sentence from this. Anyone? First substitution. Modi is the PM of India. Next, one more substitution. Try to say one more substitution. Delhi, capital of India. One more substitution. Rahul Gandhi. Rahul, son of Rajiv. So in this way, any number of substitutions you can. Okay. Modi is the PM of India. Delhi is the capital of, Rahul is the son of Raj, right? In this way, we have got more methods. See, we have discussed like upper, lower, capitalized, title, swap case, replace, count, format. Still, we have got many more methods. Strip method, find method, starts with, ends with, split. In this way, we have got many more methods, right? So we have got more discussion on this. We'll be discussing, right? In the tomorrow session, we'll be discussing. We'll be continuing from here. And as I said, tomorrow the link will be changing, right? So everyone, you are supposed to get enrolled for this course to get that link of tomorrow's. So tomorrow you will get a new link to your mail IDs. So you are supposed to get enrolled. Once again, I'm showing you the course content, right? Anyone, if you're not done, see that you can see that course content in the chart panel is already forwarded. Basics, operations, operators in Python, IDs, flow control statements, looping statements, strings in Python, collections in Python, list of properties, creations, indexing, functions, tuples, sets, dictionaries, functions in Python, right? Modules in Python, packages in Python, errors and exceptions, file handling, object-oriented programming concepts in brief, regular expressions, different types of modules, some regular expression modules, database modules, datetime modules, calendar module, graphic module, data science related modules like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, big data related modules, OS module, right? In this way, different domain related modules will be discussed. All right. Database, Python, datetime, OS module, advanced concepts, graphic module, Excel module, data analytics, introduction to data science, Pandas, NumPy, right? Matplotlib. Yes. So 30 topics in brief, we can just check this course content with any other training sites. We will be discussing in brief, and that too with different modules related to different environments will be discussed. And people who wants to go for full stack Python, right? The Django will be covered in brief, in depth with multiple working examples, 15 to 20 applications creations, right? This is the course content. Yes. And also UI technologies also is going to be covered. People who go for web development, UI, HTML, CSS, part of Bootstrap and JavaScript and MySQL will be covered, right? Yes. The only Python, the fee structure is 5,000, which covers Python core, Python advanced application oriented module. The duration will be 70 hours, 2 months to 2.5 months. So daily 1 hour, right? So mostly from Monday to Friday. And for full stack, who wants to go, right? 3 things apart from Python core advanced, right? So you'll be getting UI technologies, web development technologies will be discussed, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. And apart from this, in the Django framework with 15 to 20 applications creations, right? Yes. And you will be getting the recorded video of every session, right? Either in total full stack Python, clear notes, soft copy of the notes, and assignments and tasks will be provided, and a WhatsApp group for technical discussions, right? Yes. And all the sessions will be live sessions. You can unmute yourself and you can keep asking queries at any point of time. And for every statement I type, you will be responding, right? What will be the expected output, right? So live sessions, interactive sessions, right? And so just to get enrolled, you can see the payment details in the chart, and also you'll be getting the details to your mail IDs. And don't forget, if you're done with the payment, don't forget to share the screenshot of your payment to DURGASOFT online training @gmail.com, which is given in the message, right? A big message is given. You can see the videos, demo videos. If you have missed the demo videos, can you see this demo video 1, 2, 3, 4, the last 4 videos, demo session videos, right? You can check. You can just copy the links of the demo videos, the previous, if you want to go through. And once you get enrolled from tomorrow onwards, you'll be getting the videos to your Google Drive. Every day, one video will be added to your Google Drive, right? Notes you will be getting to your mail IDs. Any queries from your side, anyone? Yes.
I think I prefer the timings morning 6 to 7, sir. I think there is one more batch which is going to be start on 25th as I hear.
It's not by me. Yes. I'm not taking that batch, right? It's not by me.
Okay.
So if anyone, if you're not, if you're unable to attend this timing, right? Means once again, I make it clear before you do the payments, right? So the batch timing, it is 10 to 11, right? As of now, but after some 2-3 days, right? The timing of the batch will be at 9 o'clock. It starts at 9 to 10. The session starts at 9 o'clock. 9 to 10, right? Yes. So the demos will go at 10 o'clock, but the actual timing of the batch is 9 o'clock. And if unable to attend this, right, the morning batch, after 1 week, I'm going to start one morning batch also at 7 o'clock in the morning. 7 a.m.
From when, sir? On which date?
And which date means October 3rd. It means today is 21st, right?
Yeah.
Mostly and after 12 days from now.
Okay.
October 3rd means not this Tuesday, next Tuesday.
Yeah, got it.
Okay, if anyone are not fine with this timing. So okay, 9 to 10, right? Fine. So any other queries, right? Yes. So get enrolled, and from tomorrow onwards, you will be getting the notes on daily basis. You'll be getting the videos to your Google Drive, right? And tomorrow a WhatsApp group will be created, right? So everyone will be added to that WhatsApp, right? Yes. Fine. So if I'm done with your queries, if there are no other queries, I'll sign off for now. Meet you tomorrow. at 10 o'clock only, but with different link. Tomorrow the class at 10 o'clock only, but the link will be different. Check your mail IDs for that link, right? So if you're anyone facing problem, if you're not got the link, you can see that in the chart panel, they have given that contact details that you can contact them. Yes, fine. So fine. So I'm stopping for now. We'll continue tomorrow. Yes, sir. 1 second, right? 1 second. So if anyone, now you are attending this particular batch 9 to 10. Observe here, right? What is that? Rupinder Kaur. Now you are attending 9 to 10, right? And now the current batch you have paid that. But
Hello.
tomorrow, yes, 1 second. Tomorrow, like if your job timings have changed, your shift has changed, right? You are unable to
Yes.
attend. You are unable to attend this batch. If you want to attend any of my morning batches, that also you need to intimate me. You will be given the link for that morning batch. Means if anyone, because of the job timings of because of some ill health, you are unable to attend for 10 days or 2 weeks, like if you have missed the sessions, if you're unable, you can also change that batch to other batch, like morning batch or evening batch is also there, right?
Yeah. So yeah, that was the query. Thank you. Thank you so much for answering that. And
Yes,
uh,
if once you get enrolled, right, you can attend any. And there are two people who wants to go for full stack Python, right? So it takes like 4 months time because 2.5 months will be discussed on Python for advanced application oriented mode. Nearly next 2 months it takes for this UI technologies and Django framework, all this and the project, right, will be discussed. So for all that 4 months, but if anyone, if you're unable to go with that much of time, if you want to complete with two to 2.5 months, so you need to go parallelly. You need to go with parallelly, right? Parallelly means Monday to Friday, Python classes. Saturday and Sunday, you will be having this UI technologies and Django classes. 2 hours on Saturday, 2 hours on Sunday, right? So
oh, okay. So can I know that the timing of that Saturday Sunday classes
see one
for
second.
the
Yes,
okay.
1 second. See, once you get enrolled for my total full stack Python course, right? You can attend any of my Django batch. Python batch you are starting now. Django batch means any Django batch, UI technologies and Django batch combined, it will be there. So you can attend any of my batch at any time, right? It will be intimated. But this Saturday, a new Django batch is going to start on weekend batch at morning 10 o'clock.
Okay.
Morning.
From where we can have the list of your batch timings.
So tomorrow you will be added to the WhatsApp group, right? Any
Okay.
batch of mine, if it is going to start, it will be posted in that group.
Okay.
So you can just check with that. So, but a Django batch is going to start means immediately you won't be started with Django. First, HTML will be discussed, CSS will be discussed, JavaScript, where you doesn't require any knowledge of Python. Later, next Django introduction, its architecture, it's a web application, basic application. But that time, 60 to 70% of your Python gets completed.
Okay.
Okay, fine.
Thank you.
And okay, that's fine, right? So tomorrow, same time at 10 o'clock, but you can just check your mails. So for the new link, right? Yes. Thank you all for your time. Thank you. Good night.
Hello.
Yes, any query? Okay. So just now someone asked, right? If you want a morning session, if you want, you can attend now. If you want tomorrow, when the batch starts in the morning, you can also shift to that. That's also fine. If it's